to Guga Food, guys. We got the boys over here. They are already enjoying all of their steaks. And today, we are doing a fat experiment. How do you guys like that fat?
Delicious.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I give this a fat A.
Yes, let's go. Check it out. For today's cook, I'm using this good-looking New York strip. So the plan is I'm going to be reverse searing these steaks, and I'm going to use different fats to sear it. Let me show you the contestants. We got duck fat, beef fat, butter, and most important, and everyone's favorite, bacon. You can't live without bacon. I'm keeping the seasoning simple with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now we are ready to cook these bad boys. Let's do it. And here are all our fats, starting off with duck fat, beef fat, butter, and the bacon. Alright guys, how does it look?
It looks great.
Amazing.
Are you guys ready to try it?
Hell yeah.
I'm born ready.
I'm hungry.
I got my nephew's friend here and we're gonna give this a go. Now, they all look the same, but there's a difference between them, guys. I want your honest opinion, how you guys like it. You're gonna tell me. Sounds good?
Sounds good to me.
Let's chop them open, yeah?
Yeah,
Let's
please.
go.
Now, what's the hardest part so far is been waiting for these steaks to rest.
Oh man. You're telling me.
They have just been here sitting down and watching and waiting for these steaks to rest. Now that they rested, look how juicy they are. That's crazy, huh? Look at that. I haven't even
They're
chopped them
leaving a
up
trail.
open and they're still, look at that. It's very, very juicy. Now we let them rest for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna chop them up. Let's do it. All right, boys, you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, they look good, don't they?
I'm ready to eat it.
These are big boys and they're hungry, man. Let's do it. All right, let's start. We have steak A, B, C, and D. I want to know from you guys which one is better. Go for it. Let's go with steak A. Go.
All right.
Was it good?
It was
Yes.
Yeah.
super,
Alright,
super meaty, super
All right, let's go for the
flavorful.
next one. Let's try it. Go for it.
Okay.
I like this one more.
It's gonna be very hard to tell which is my favorite because both were just so good immediately.
All right, let's see the next one. Go for it. Go for the next one. That's good.
Yeah.
How is
Wow.
it?
That one's
Even the dogs want some. So
Really-
far,
I really
this one is
enjoyed
most
these.
flavorful?
yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, let's go for the last one. Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no fighting now. No fighting now.
He had his eye on that.
There's
piece.
plenty of steaks for everybody. Ooh, is it juicy, Andrew, huh?
Oh my god.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's falling apart.
Forget what I was saying about B.
Oh, boy, oh, boy.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
That's amazing. That
Wow.
was delicious.
That one took the cake.
That one's
Huh?
delicious.
That one took the cake.
By far too.
That's delicious.
I 100% agree.
Yeah.
That one's good. Give me 5. Yes. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite?
This one hands down.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with you. It's D. Behind that, I'd put B, and then it's probably a tie between A and
So,
C.
all right. So we all agree this is the best.
Yep.
After this one, which one is better?
I choose this one. This is a close second.
I like this one too. I say this is number 1, this is number 2, and these other one I like the same.
But what's the
Yeah.
difference though?
Now I'm gonna tell you guys. So here's the deal. This one was with butter.
No.
Wow.
pretty simple. I was expecting something.
Butter, butter, butter. Butter makes everything better.
Wow.
So we got butter.
Bacon.
I'm sorry, I couldn't.
Dude, are you alright? You burping steak?
It was a good.
He wanted a second taste at it.
I know, I can tell. Alright, so we got butter, we got bacon, duck fat, and beef fat. And our champion today is
Butter for sure.
butter. With sous vide is not so good, but doing it this way on the grill, it's fantastic. Do you guys agree?
Hell
It
yeah.
took
No
the
doubt.
cake. Took the
I
cake for
agree
sure.
100%. This thing is amazing. When you're searing your steak, use that butter, guys. It's absolutely fantastic.
No doubt.
But don't you use it with sous vide, it's not gonna work. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description down below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We are out.